You need to subscribe to the Genealogist website. Once you have logged in, you will see the home page. There are various buttons along the top of the screen. One of those is Search. Click on it and it will bring you up with their list of databases, which is in the blue box below. You need to scroll down to find the one that says Landowner Records, and using the drop-down menu you can find Tithe Records. Once you have selected it, it takes you into a separate menu. We don't know the forename and the surname of the person you're looking for because we are finding a plot number. So instead we're going to select the county, and you can start typing in Norfolk to bring it up. So we can select Norfolk, and then you'll be able to select the parish. We'll keep with Acle. Once you have done that, you can click on the search button. This will bring you up with a list of people included in the apportionment for Acle. You can see it gives you the forename, the surname, the parish, the county, the fact they are all landowners, the year, and then the plot. So it's the plot that we are interested in, and as you would with an original tithe map apportionment, you need to scroll down until you find the plot number that you want. Keep scrolling and you can always move on to the next page by clicking on the buttons at the bottom. Once you have found the plot that you're interested in, you have several different options. You can view full transcript details. You can view the original page. You can see the location on a map. You can report an error, or you can save a record. In this case, we're going to have a look at the transcription details. This will tell you a bit more information. We already know the plot number and the landowner, but it also tells you the occupier. From this, we can also view the original page, and we always advise that you do so. So this shows you a microfilm copy of the apportionment. In order to zoom in, you have a magnifying glass at the bottom here, one for zoom in and one for zoom out. So we'll zoom in so we can see closely, and then you can find the entry you are interested in. If you are looking at more than one entry, you can scroll to the next page by using the arrows down on the right hand side here. If you would like to save or print the image, you can do so by using the settings menu at the top here. Just click on this cog and it will give you the option to download to your computer or to print.